And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. We did see some spotty showers and thunderstorms again, much like yesterday in the lower and mid valley. Those have mostly died down. We have been seeing though some showers to the east offshore. We're going to leave in a slight chance for some early evening stray showers, but otherwise it should be quiet again for tonight. Temperatures are quite warm today. We had lower 90s for the highs out east and in Weslaco, upper 90s, 97 in McAllen. Right now 94 there, 93 in Rio Grande City, but we're in the upper 80s in Harlingen, Port Isabel, Brownsville, and Raymondville. And it's been a breezy afternoon. The winds are out of the south to southeast between 16 to 21 miles an hour with a gust of 26 in McAllen, 24 in Weslaco, as well as in Brownsville. Here's your evening planner forecast. A spotty shower is possible at 7 p.m. with temperatures in the upper 80s. We're back to 82 degrees at 9 p.m. and 79 at 11 o'clock tonight. Just a mild, even warm evening under partly cloudy skies. While the tropics are still busy, our first stop is the Atlantic Ocean. Here is Tropical Storm Leslie with maximum winds of 60 miles per hour. Leslie is moving to the east-southeast at 10 miles an hour. So obviously not a direct threat to the U.S., but the rip current risk does continue along the east coast. There's a forecast track. Leslie making a turn toward the southeast and back toward the east-northeast. And actually, the forecast calls for Leslie to become a hurricane by this Friday. And that area of disturbed weather we were watching yesterday, we've been telling you about in the Caribbean Sea, is now Tropical Storm Michael. Here's the Yucatan Peninsula. Michael has maximum winds of 50 miles per hour. It is moving to the north-northeast at 3 miles an hour. Again, Michael is not a threat, not expected to be a threat to the valley, but the rip current risk will be elevated or moderate here in the valley due to Michael over the next couple of days. But this is the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. So Michael is expected to track northward through the eastern Gulf of Mexico and perhaps become a hurricane by this week and expected to make landfall, let me think, along the coast of North Florida by Wednesday or Wednesday into Thursday. Then speed off to the northeast through the southeastern U.S. And here's the reason why. First of all, let's take a look at the surface map. Warm front draped over North Texas and southern plains. A lot of nasty thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorm watch boxes continue for parts of West Texas, eastern New Mexico. And then we have a front that's draped over New Mexico and Arizona. Here's the reason why we do not expect Michael to be a threat to the valley. Notice this big trough of low pressure, this big upper level storm system. That's going to send that front out west over to our neck of the woods. That upper level trough is also going to kick Michael away from the valley. Here is the European model. It expects Michael to stay more to the north, tracking in the north, and then heading toward Florida by Wednesday and Thursday. Now, this is going to be a weak front for us, so don't get too excited, folks. We're only talking about highs back in the upper 80s by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This front is expected to stall out just south of the valley by Wednesday and Thursday, maybe move back to the north, but then push back to the south by this weekend. In any case, because of the front, we're going to put in a chance for some spotty to scattered showers and thunderstorms each day this week. So we have a 20% chance of some spotty thunderstorms tomorrow and Tuesday, followed by a 30% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms Wednesday. On the water, small craft should use caution. We'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop, and the seas will be 3 to 6 feet. So for tonight, partly cloudy, mild with lows in the mid-70s. Then for your Monday, partly sunny and breezy with a 20% chance of afternoon spotty thunderstorms. Highs will be in the lower 90s. And here's that 7-day forecast again. Michael is not a threat to the valley directly, but the rip current risk will be higher this week. Spotty thunderstorms possible Tuesday. We have a 30% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday. The front arrives between Wednesday and Thursday. We're back to 91 both days. The front then lingers just to the south of the valley. Look at that, 90 on Friday, then 88 degrees for Saturday and Sunday. Even better, those morning lows should be back to 72 by next Saturday and Sunday. That is your First Warn 5 forecast. Now here's